Kulumbai. Hello students. I hope all of you are doing great. Today I'm going to share a short lecture on capitalism, imperialism and mercantilism respectively. Firstly, I'm going to talk about capitalism. Capitalism is an economic system in which all means of production are owned and controlled by private individuals, and all the decisions are made on the basis of profit. Under this system, all firms, factories, and other means of production are the property of private individuals and firms. They are free to use them any way they like, with a view to making profit. The desire for profit is the sole consideration with the property owner in the use of their property. Beside free and unfettered use of their property, everybody is free to take up any line of production he likes and is free to enter in and contract with other fellow citizens for his profit. Now, I'm going to talk about imperialism. Imperialism is a policy in which a strong nation seeks to dominate other countries politically, socially, or economically, which are not as rich and powerful as itself. It is simply a manifestation of the balance of power and ease process by which nations try to achieve a favorable change in the status quo. The purpose of imperialism is to decrease the strategic and political vulnerability of a nation. Lastly, I'm going to talk about mercantilism. Mercantilism, also called commercialism, is the economic doctrine in which government control of foreign trade is of paramount importance, ensuring the prosperity and military security of the state. It promotes imperialism, tariffs, and subsidies on traded goods to achieve that goal. These policies aim to reduce a possible current account deficit or reach a current account surplus. Mercantilism includes an economic policy aimed at accumulating monetary reserves through a positive balance of trade, especially of finished goods. Historically, such policies frequently led to war and also motivated colonial expansions. That's all. Thank you.